Hello everyone, this is Elvis from LiTech Power. Today I will introduce our 12.8 watt Smart Lifepo4 battery pack for you. Here is the product. You can see here. This is a 4S 1-pin battery pack, and this battery pack with cells, BMS, and a waterproof ABS casing. And this BMS with temperature sensors, it will monitor the cell's temperature. So this battery pack with temperature protection, and the nominal wattage of the battery pack at 12.8 watts, and the rated capacity at 8 amp hours. The capacity of the single cell is 4 amp hours. So this battery pack with 8 amp hours capacity